fan alert. This is a 52-inch Royal Windyne ceiling fan. Literally, this is just a copy version of the Emerson heat fan. This is also more ornate than the original heat fan. The blades are a bit different. The arms are basically the same, and all that. And there's some other small differences I'm not going to point out. But one significant difference is that it does have a chain through the center, yet has a switch housing, which I don't think the heat fans ever did, so that's definitely unique. K63 motor, I think. It's definitely pretty big. Definitely bigger than some of the K55s I've worked with. And yes, I do have a Giannis Antetokounmpo jersey, for those who know what I mean by that. So, this video, I am going to run the fan on factory, because I have it on a 3-speed control, because this fan, as you're about to see, is definitely weird. So here's low. Now you might be telling me that this ain't a low speed. You're right, but that's just how the fan is. I got it off Facebook Marketplace a few months back. I haven't had a chance to test it because I knew for a fact this fan was going to hang so bleeping low. Was I bothered by that? A little bit, because that's why it took me so long to have filmed this gem. And I'm getting goosebumps on my feet, and this is only low speed. And I basically got a duck to change speed on it. So here's high. That rattling noise is just the canopy on top of the motor. But as you can see, this fan is extremely fast and extremely powerful. This fan is not reversible in any way, shape, or form. But it does have a decent spin down time, and while it is doing spin down, I'm going to go take care of something because I know it'll be a minute or two. So how about listening to just a little bit of music? Alright, I am back and it still hasn't spun down. So this fan does have pretty good bearings. I just do not like the speeds on it. If you didn't know that. So the fan is about to stop, and it has a pretty steep blade pitch too. If I ever mount this on a shorter down rod, or B, on a higher ceiling, I'll definitely get some close-up shots of it, because this fan is just bleeping beautiful from anywhere you look at it. Even without a light kit, even without the light kits that these fans came with. So that's going to do it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.